To get started, open the Snapchat app on your mobile device. Tap on your Bitmoji or profile icon in the top left corner of the screen. In your profile, tap the gear icon located in the top right corner to open the settings menu. Swipe up to scroll down, and locate the Account Actions section. Then, tap on Clear Conversation. A list of your recent chats will be displayed. To delete a specific conversation, tap the X next to the corresponding friend's name. In the confirmation window, confirm your action by selecting Clear. Currently, Snapchat does not offer an option to clear all conversations at once. Each conversation must be cleared individually. So that's how you can clear conversations on Snapchat.